Alright everyone, we are back at Salty Dog, and the reason why I'm back at Salty Dog is because someone kinda messed up my close-up view back, so I'm gonna do another attempt at it. So yeah, you can see there's plenty of people using the manual bays. I don't know why that idiot is sitting in one when there's another open.
Maybe they're family.
I don't know, but anyway, let's check out the Salty Dog. That guy's paying right there. And then this is the one that we're gonna go through. We're gonna go through the North Bay this time, so I'm gonna get out and walk through it. See, clearance is 84 inches.
I'm gonna use Coinless to just signal when you're ready.
Okay. There's your signage right there. Oh. Thank you for reminding me.
You're welcome.
Okay, so now let's take a look at it. Here's the Coinless POS. Here's the pay station. Here's the instructional signage. Outdoor signage. Sensors for the airlift. Foam bath, arch, undercarriage. This actually makes the machine know when it's at the back or not so that it can move forward again. But here's the rear brush. You can see actually the hydraulics, well, the pneumatics, hydraulics, whatever. The hydraulics here are actually very gentle, so you can do this. You see it's very gentle, or it's not, it won't damage your car. Here's hydraulics, oh my gosh, high pressure sprayers. Here's the bearings for the brushes. Here's the mitters. Here's the stuff up there. Here's the other mitter. Here's the front brush. Again, same deal. It's gentle. Here's a treadle, the treadle switches. Here's the backup hose, or backup pressure switch. My gosh. Let's see if there's any foam on the ground, because I like collecting the foam. There's none on that side. Let's check this one. Nope. Let's check the rear side. Nope. Oh, also there's the cable management. This side?
Nope.
Okay, so now let's walk through farther. Here's the bug buster. Then the hose that runs back up into the equipment room. Here's the ceramic sealant arch, or actually no, this isn't the ceramic, this is the Rain-X. This is the ceramic sealant, and then this is the spot-free rents, air hose, sensor thing right there. That turns on the tire shine, by the way. Here is the tire shine, same thing on both sides. Here's the thermostat right there, then the rinse timer, dryers, and tire shine flasher that goes when you buy the top wash and these activate. So let's go through it now. We're about to head in. Guess my timing's a little off. It's actually taking a while. turned green already. Finally.
Drive forward. Drive forward. Drive forward. Drive forward. Drive forward.
It actually shakes the floor.
Drive forward.
Stop. Place vehicle in park.
A lot of mist. The water kept going into my mouth. Which I guess is a good thing. Stay hydrated. Drying agents. Smells really good.
Exit slowly. Exit slowly. Exit slowly. Exit slowly. slowly. Exit slowly. Exit slowly.
Can't see in there too well. But that is that.